If you're still copying leads, emails, or form data from one app to another by hand, you're not just working hard, you're losing time. Every manual update is a minute taken away from growing your business. Most freelancers and business owners accept this manual tax as part of the job. But in 2026, software should be working for you, not the other way around. Today, we're changing that. Welcome to the world of Make.com. It's the visual automation platform that lets you connect your favorite apps and automate your life, all without writing a single line of code. I'm going to show you exactly what Make is, why it's the top choice for beginners, and how you can set up your first scenario to buy your time back. Let's dive in. At its core, Make is a bridge. It allows thousands of different apps to talk to each other. If something happens in one app, Make ensures a specific action follows in another. In Make, we call these automated workflows scenarios. Think of them as custom-built digital employees that work 24/7 with zero human error. The magic is in the visual builder. You don't need to be a developer. If you can draw a flow on a whiteboard, you can build an automation in Make. It's that intuitive. It's powerful enough for complex business processes, but simple enough that you can start with a basic auto reply in under 5 minutes. It scales as your needs grow. So, why do starters love it? Beyond the visual interface, it's incredibly accessible. You can start completely for free, with no credit card required to sign up. The free plan has no time limit. You get 1,000 credits every month to experiment and find what works for you. It's the perfect playground for learning automation. You don't even need to build from scratch. Make has a library of thousands of verified templates for almost every use case you can imagine. Just plug and play. With over 3,000 apps supported, Make likely connects to every tool you already use today. The possibilities for your business are virtually infinite. Let's look at a practical example. Say you want to automate your lead management. Usually you'd manually copy a website form submission into a sheet. Not anymore. It starts with a trigger. A new lead fills out your form. We use a webhook to catch that data instantly the moment it's submitted. No delays. Make immediately takes that data and adds a new row to your Google Sheet. Now your database is updated automatically 24 hours a day without you lifting a finger. Finally, Make sends an instant alert to your Slack or email. Your team knows exactly when a lead arrives, so you can follow up while they're still interested. In this scenario, the form is the trigger, the spark that starts the chain. The Sheet and Slack updates are the actions that follow. It's that simple. To really unlock Make's potential, you just need to understand 7 core concepts. Let's break them down in plain English so you can build like a pro. First, modules, the building blocks of any scenario. Then triggers, the events that tell your scenario to start running. Actions are what Make does for you. Filters allow you to set rules like only send the Slack message if the lead is interested in a specific service. Routers let you split one path into many. Schedules decide when the magic happens, whether it's instant or at a specific time every day. Finally, credits measure your usage. Every module run uses credits. Make even offers AI tools and an assistant named Maya to help you build even faster. Now I want this video to be helpful and honest. Make is powerful, but it isn't magic. Let's look at the reality of starting with automation today. The pros are clear. You get unbeatable flexibility, the ability to scale to thousands of tasks, and a very generous, transparent free plan to get started. On the flip side, there is a learning curve. Understanding how to map data between different apps takes practice. It's not always a one-click setup. You also have to be efficient. If you build your scenarios poorly, you can burn through your credits quickly. Planning your process before you build is key. So, who should use Make? If you're a freelancer, an agency owner, or a small business team tired of repetitive busy work, Make is built for you. If you want to stop being a data entry clerk for your own business and start being the CEO, it's time to buy your time back with automation. If you're ready to test Make for yourself, I've put an affiliate link in the description. Using it costs you nothing extra, but it helps support this channel. The best way to start is simply pick one repetitive task, just one, and build a scenario for it today. You'll be amazed at how much headspace it clears. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for your first scenario, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.